think the networking is invaluable. The content is great, and yeah, you're able just to get a load of people from around the world, different perspectives altogether. So it's quite invaluable information, whether it's localization or even just getting the latest information from others or seeing trials and errors. Yeah, it's invaluable.
I think these conferences are all about networking, even more than the information that you learn. And the speakers are all very top-notch. I went to as many talks as I could, and they were all very high level with a lot of actionable things. I think that's what's good about these conferences is Augustus really makes sure that you're not just giving information, you're telling sellers how they can actually apply it into their businesses.
Event is more fun than I would ever thought it would be. And the funness comes from, the content is really point on. It has a lot of practical value, but the networking in the coffee breaks, lunch breaks, and in the evening parts, I think it's like cherry on top.